Oh no! It's 7:30. We're late. David, wake up. We overslept.
What time is it?
7:30. Our flight is at 10.
10? Oh no! Okay, let's move.
Anna, Peter, wake up. Time to go.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No, 5 minutes today. We're going to Costa Rica.
Costa Rica? Jungle and monkeys?
Yes, but only if we catch the plane.
I'm up. Where's my yellow jacket?
In your drawer. And Peter, find your shoes, please.
I can't find them.
Here, little explorer, your shoes are under your pillow again.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks. Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us?
Of course. No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book.
Good job, sweetie. Peter, what about you?
I packed my toy car and my hat.
Only that? What about clothes?
Oh, right. Clothes, too.
Maybe he's planning to live on the beach.
Not funny, David. We still have to call the taxi.
Already did. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine. You always look fine.
Nice try, honey, but still, comb time. Okay, checklist. Passports,
Check.
tickets,
Check.
snacks,
Check.
chargers.
Double check.
Perfect. We're ready.
Wait, my monkey toy.
Again? Where did you put it?
On the couch.
Got it. Let's go before we miss the flight.
Good morning. Going to the airport?
Yes, please. Terminal 3.
All right, hop in.
Okay, everyone. Seatbelts on.
I'm so excited. I've never been on a plane before.
Really? This will be your first flight?
Do planes have bathrooms?
Yes, small ones, like toy bathrooms.
Cool. I want to try it.
Not now, Peter. Wait until we're in the sky. Oh, traffic. Please move, cars. Please move.
Relax. We have time. The airport isn't far.
Mom, what will we see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, volcanoes, jungles, and lots of animals.
I want to see a sloth.
And I want to see a quiet beach with no phones ringing.
You? No phone? Impossible.
Okay, maybe one phone, just for pictures.
And ice cream. We must eat ice cream there.
Deal. Ice cream every day.
You're going to love it there. Costa Rica is amazing. So green and full of life.
You've been there?
Yes, twice. The rainforest is beautiful. Just don't forget mosquito spray.
Oh no! David, did you pack the spray?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'll buy one at the airport, okay? Don't worry.
Okay. But no maybe for the passports, please.
Don't worry. Got them right here.
Mom, look! Airplanes! I can see them.
Finally, we made it.
We are Terminal 3.
Thank you.
Have a great trip, folks.
We will. Okay, explorers, let's find our gate.
And maybe a snack.
And maybe a souvenir.
And maybe we'll actually make it on time.
Let's go before we have another maybe.
Look, I'm flying already.
Save that energy for the real flight, buddy.
Finally, we can sit down.
Coffee time.
Definitely. I'll get coffee. Kids, what do you want?
A sandwich, please.
French fries.
1 sandwich and 1 fries. Coming up. Here we go. Breakfast number 2.
Thank you, Mom.
These fries are so good.
Careful, don't spill them on your shirt.
Too late.
Vacation mode already.
Mom, what's Costa Rica like?
It's warm, green, and full of nature. You'll see rainforests, beaches, animals everywhere.
Do they have monkeys there?
Yes, lots of monkeys.
And colorful birds, too.
Can we swim every day?
Every single day if you want.
I just hope we didn't forget anything important.
Wait. Did we pack the sunscreen?
Uh-oh, I think I left it on the kitchen counter.
Oh no, David. We'll burn under the tropical sun.
Don't worry, we'll buy some after we land.
You always say that.
And it always works out, doesn't it?
Maybe. You're lucky. You know that?
Daddy is always lucky.
That's because I married your mom.
Oh, stop it.
There are so many people waiting.
Look, that man has a sign with letters.
Let's see. Davis family? That's not us.
Wait, what's that one? Emmy Watson?
Oh no, close. But my name's Emma, not Emmy.
Hello. Are you the Emmy Watson family?
Almost. It's Emma, not Emmy. But yes, that's us.
Oh, sorry, my mistake. Welcome to Costa Rica.
He wrote your name wrong, Mom.
That's okay, sweetheart. Now we have a funny story to tell.
At least he found us.
Yes. Please follow me. The car is outside. Welcome to Costa Rica, my friends. Hotel Blue Horizon, right?
That's right.
Thank you.
I can't wait to swim.
And see the rainforest.
One adventure at a time, you two. Let's get to the hotel first.
Agreed. After all that flying, I just want a bed.
You and me both. We made it.
We sure did.
Costa Rica!
Our new adventure.
And that's the first day of our family's big adventure. From the morning rush to the airport chaos, somehow we made it here.